We see the trends in terms of shifting away from traditional OB solutions to IP solutions over the internet. The primary benefit that we see in these days, it's a major reduction in cost, footprint, and manageability. Using internet technologies instead of OB allows the deployment of your footprint to be a lot smaller and more cost efficient.
I mean, streaming in many ways can simplify things and make things more accessible and so on and so forth. But at the end of the day, when you produce things, you will still need a studio of some sort.
The tendency in the last 2 years has been to build bigger trucks despite remote production emerging everywhere. For us, it means that the less technology we have to build in, the bigger the truck can come to build workspaces. So for us, it's a blessing. The cabling becomes much easier. So internally, we can cable fiber optic cable and just power. So we save on weight, we save on space, and the workspaces are getting bigger.
People are talking about the move to IP and integrating IP, moving to IP-based workflows. That doesn't just mean in the building, right? That means IP contribution coming from things like bonded cellular, right? So LiveView, TView, Degero, companies like that who have had good success, right? Delivering bonded cellular offerings that can basically stream content right out of the back of a camera. And of course, for news aggregation, that's where we come in, right? So we're aggregating those feeds that come in from those players so that we can take anything in regardless of where it's coming from. So that includes those bonded guys, it includes protocol guys, right? So you name it, a whole host of guys who are now getting into the game that basically enable news organizations to send a journalist out into the field with a laptop or even a tablet, and basically they're an ENG truck at that point.